In this video, I'm going to be trading Forex currency pairs using the trade command Quant engine, trading engine, a trade engine that I've coded, programmed, and developed to help me make trades in the Forex markets. Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back with another trading video. So today, what you see here is the user interface of the trade command Quant engine here. And it provides me signal alerts on various trade recommendations. The Quant engine analyzes cryptos, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as major and minor currency pairs here. If you look at the left side of the dashboard here, all the various major and minor currency pairs. And in addition to that, it also analyzes metals. For instance, silver here, XAG, gold, XAU, XPD, which is palladium, and XPT, which is platinum. Okay, so I've coded a trading logic into the engine here. If we scroll all the way to the bottom of the dashboard here, this is the core logic that went into the trade command Quant engine here, utilizing various indicators, ADX, RXI, Bollinger Bands, EMA, and trend exhaustion. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in order to operate the engine, what we're going to do is rerun the software here, and then I'm going to turn on the audio alert so to help us get signal alerts here. A previous alert which occurred here was on Ethereum. There's a Eastern Standard Time frame here. This signal occurred at 9:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which was a few minutes ago. And what we're going to do here is wait for currency pairs. It'll give us Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the metals, but Pocket Option currently has only currency pairs available to trade at this time. So let's run the trade engine again. In the middle here, what you see is the live execution log. We have real price feeds. This bot does not trade OTCs or synthetics. It trades live real-time prices on the currency, Bitcoin, and metals assets here. Okay, for instance, here, if you see here, it's giving us a 15-minute long trade on palladium. But as I mentioned before, palladium is not an asset that is available to trade on the Pocket Option platform here. I have my trading platform open up here. And what we see here at the top of the charts are the various currency assets that I've put up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and when I get a currency asset signal, I'm going to come back and show the signal and take the trade. Okay. Okay, so I just received the signal from the Quant engine here, Euro Aussie dollar short, 5-minute short right here. All right, so I'm going to go to my trading platform and check Euro Aussie dollar here. It's telling me to take a 5-minute short. So, all right, I just took a sell trade or a put trade, which is also a short on the Euro Aussie dollar here. If we notice here, this is the 200 simple moving average. It's sloping downward. And then we have the vortex lines, the minus VI line showing a divergence from the plus VI line on the vortex indicator. So all of these confluences, we have the signal here, Euro Aussie dollar signal, as well as our indicators all suggesting a continued bearish push to the downside in the price of the Euro Aussie dollar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till about 30 seconds left in the trade, come back and see the results of this trade. Okay, so I'm back on the Euro Aussie dollar with about 30 seconds left in the trade. So let's wait for the expiration of this trade. Uh, okay, so that trade was in the money. Okay, so I'm on the Aussie dollar JPY, and I just took a 5-minute buy trade or 5-minute call trade. And the reason I took the call trade is here. If you notice, the signal engine just generated a Aussie dollar JPY long trade here on the 5-minute time frame. So I went ahead and took the trade. So let's monitor this trade and wait for about 30 seconds left in the trade and see the results of the trade. Okay, so I'm back on the Aussie dollar Japanese yen. This trade is about to expire in a few seconds. So let's wait for the expiration of this trade. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, reset the quant engine, and see if it generates a trade for us currently at this time. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound, Japanese Yen currency pair, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason I took the buy trade is if we go to our trade command quant engine here, it just generated a 5-minute long trade here. It's 10:51 Eastern Standard Time. And I went ahead and took the trade here. We're seeing a general bullish trend in the price of the currency pair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video till about 30 seconds left in the trade, come back and check the results of the trade. Okay, so I'm back on the Great British Pound, Japanese Yen trade, which is about to expire. So in about 15 seconds here. So let's wait for the expiry. Okay, great. So that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for the next signal from the trade command quant engine. Okay, so I'm on the Euro JPY currency pair, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason I took the buy trade, of course, is because I just received a signal, a 5-minute long on the Euro JPY. If we notice here, the price is currently in a bullish trend, which confirms the signal here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait till about 30 seconds left in the trade, come back and check the results. Okay, so we're about to see the results of the Euro JPY trade here that the trade command quant engine recommended in the signals bot. We just have a few seconds left in the trade. Okay, great. So that trade was also in the money. Just go back here. This was the signal that the quant engine generated. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for our next signal. I'm on the Euro JPY, and I just took a buy trade, a 15-minute buy trade here. So I set my timer before taking the trade. I set my timer to 15 minutes. Selected the currency asset here, Euro JPY, took the buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade is I just received a 15-minute buy long signal here on the Euro JPY. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait till uh, the end of the 15 minutes expiry with about 30 seconds left and see what the results of the trade are. Okay, so we have about a few seconds left in the Euro JPY long trade that I took with the quant engine signal. So let's wait for the expiry of this trade. We have about 14 seconds left in the trade. Okay, so that trade, it was in the money. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my latest trading strategies. I have a link to the trading platform in the video comments or the video description or the channel bio. If you're interested in getting some more information about the Trade Command Quant Engine, I'll have all the information in the video description. And I also wanted to take note that I've been only risking 1%, about 1% of my capital. With binary options, you need to have about a 70% win rate because most of the assets don't return 100%. You can have an asset that returns 90%. Another asset may return about 60% or so, 58%. The whole idea is we want to grow our account slowly but surely. If you win a trade, you'll get the percentage that the asset is paying out. But if you lose the whole amount. So on average, the rates of return on these assets are around 75, I would say about 70 to 75%. So you need to show a win rate, like I said, of about 70% as well. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade Command Quant Engine, Gus Schmidt.